Hey, this is part 2 on memory, and thank you for joining us as we go more into memory. So, the different aspects of the self in storage capacities for memory recorded. The kids playing outside. Anyway, uh, so storage capacity, scanning for all types of storage for memory in your body of different types of memory, physical, field, light, etc., and different energy, and the different aspects of the system involved to retaining and bringing it to knowingness. And there's different layers of that, and then also going into photographic memory and how that works, and how there's differences between people, and do they hold the capacity for that, and can they switch to it and change their DNA and stuff. Hey Symbol. Yeah, the star of the show is here. The great Simba on his Pride Rock. What's up? How are you? Can you say a little something to your fans? Lick. Okay. Something to do with the tongue. No. Anyway, so memory banks, you can scan for all these in the body, where they are, in symbolic nature, overlaid in filing systems, physically, mentally, emotionally, all these different energy systems, and start clearing them up, auditing them, seeing what's going on, and then getting them better and better and better. There's a thing having to do with the tailbone and the activations of a internal school of your spirit type of thing, where you go and activate something in the tailbone, and I can do this with people if they want to have this protected and able to do this successfully and accurately and know that they're doing it. And then some type of memory connecting to your tailbone to the earth, and then linking to her and agreeing to a different bunch of things through a filtering process, so that you see what's all going on, and you read, understanding, you protect against fine prints for anything trying to hijack your connection to earth. And there's a bunch of things involved, and then I can go into that too. And then bringing up a memory current that streams you with earth and connected to the ancestral land, and your DNA, your memory at a greater length. Current coming up, and then having that established and not being shut down or turned off when you're not noticing, or a bunch of different things, so it can amplify a process of remembering. And then it will take a bunch of other different aspects of the system to get this full, especially if you have a lot of your technology shut down, and it depends on where your people in the family, the DNA lineage, who you are in spirit, how targeted you are, if there's anything internally anchored to you, limiting you, all this kind of stuff. And then there's a school of understanding in the 33 little schools throughout your spine of vertebra, in each vertebra. So the 33 vertebrae of the spine have memory schools internally that you go into and do a thing into completion and awareness. And you can do this quite viscerally, or you can do it in the background, and you see how long it takes, and you can also make it go faster. There's all this kind of stuff. And then you go up that until that completion, and then you move on to the next step. And there's different aspects to get the memory to a peak efficiency, such as photographic memory, and even going into memory that you're transferring, and even wisdom, and sometimes memory that's not yours, which will be an interesting thing, which is some people are having that, as well as versions of themselves, other lives. So yeah, going into that, and ancestors, like your family, you might pass that down and have that opening. Why am I seeing Vikings in my when I close my eyes and a reliving of the same event? It might be you, it might be your ancestors. Depends on what's going on. There also might be like a bunch of different things. Honestly, I've seen a lot of different stuff when reading clients. So yeah, if you want to go more into memory, contact me at silvercordss.com or on Facebook. Like, share, and please share these videos if you want more. I'll do it more if more people want. Uh, and yeah, like, share, subscribe, and thank you for coming on this journey with me and your support. And I thank you for any donations. And honored. We'll talk more. C'est la vie.